And next week, third week of May again, as mid-month, they will try to make the swing and rise move. In this month of May, we'll come across low gains in the case of Euro and GBP. But you do come across intraday slides, and that is part of the game or the volatility of the market. So you can either do buy and sell or a sell and buy trade, depending upon where you are taking the position. If you are trying to take the position near the high, you can try to do sell and buy. If you are trying to take the position near the low, you can do buy and sell. Now, what they are expected to make in this week. If you understand the overall market moves, then we'll be able to pinpoint that they are trying to make shift in trading zone on the upside. From the start of the month, start of the year, they have been doing the lower level consolidation with a frequent downward stop at the extreme level at the lowest point. They accumulated buy position, but everybody was bearish at that time. They said that the market might further drop and US dollar is going to be the king. I was telling at that time, US dollar is a sleeping giant. So normally it wakes up for a brief period. Afterwards, we'll do come across the other majors gaining the levels. So this is how the players make the moves in the market so that they'll be able to consistently earn money from the market. So they have to create the market sentiment or the market feel and induce all other traders to do sell and buy trade at the lowest level. If somebody says that, okay, it's ideal time to make a buy, then the trader might say, no, if you want, you do it, but I am going to do sell and buy trade. That is how they will create or induce the traders to say a situation, a bearish situation. But finally what had happened? They gained the levels in the market. After gaining the level in the market, Euro and GBP, they started gaining more level quickly in order to bring in shift in trading zone. So this is what they do in the market. A lower level consolidation with a frequent downward stop and then start gaining the level one-sided on the upside. Then they start making the either way stop runs. So either way stop runs they will make, but they will not reach the lower level what they have been showing, but they will do in the middle level either way stop runs. So middle level consolidation with either way stop runs is in the process. Then afterwards they will shift the trading zone to the higher level and start making the high level consolidation with a frequent upward stop run. So we have a long way to go upward in the market. In the process, they will make either way stop run to start with. So at that time, you can do either way trades. Sell when they are making a quick rise, buy when they are making a quick drop, so that you will make handsome profit in such wide range swing trades. So that we need to understand. In that process, they are expected to make a swing and firm up during that of the Japanese session, and then slowly slide during that of the European and the US session. And then many of the analysts will say that the market has already priced in the outcome of elections in France. But whatever be the attribute, the players make the moves in against of the expectations of the traders. When the traders have committed the positions and then later on expect the market to move in a big way, then the players make the move in the other way and trap the traders and stop them out. Then later on, they make the move in the expected line. So this is what is going to happen this week. Even though the trending move is on the upside, They will make very quick downward stop runs during that of the European session today and tomorrow, and also day after tomorrow. Then on Wednesday, they are expected to make a deep drop in order to induce all the long holders who have taken the long position at the higher level to liquidate. Then they buy all the sells at the lowest level, then start gaining the levels. That is how they make the moves in the market. So they induce the traders to be bullish and ask them to take freely the buy positions, then make one extended downward stop and so that the traders will think that, oh God, by mistake I have taken a higher level buy, the market does not have a strength to go up further, and that is how they feel and liquidate the long positions. And later on, see that market pierce all the earlier highs and go further high in, to their surprise. This is what happening every time, but still people fail to understand how the shift in trading zone has to be read, or how we need to understand the shift in trading zone. This the study requires a specificity with regard to the market segregation. So we need to splice the market into several components. How? We can just cut it into that of the three different sessions, or early and the late sessions in each of the three sessions. These things are vital so that you'll be able to understand the time-bound moves in the market. If you don't do that and simply use the chart to study, then you will be simply looking for the intraday trend reversal based on MACD or retracement, etc. But ultimately, you need to understand it is a man-made market based on the time frame they are doing it. Why we fail to read such time frame? In order to avoid us reading such time frame, the players have widely spread the information. The market is trading like the Japanese session, Asian session, European session, London session, New York session, etc., Pacific sessions, etc., so that the traders will not be able to really understand how the players have made the sessions in a given day, in a 24-hour cycle of the market. They are divided into three sessions. And if you understand the session timings, then you will be able to easily read their intentions. So that is why I given it in such a way so that straight away from this time to this time, what trade you can do. Swing and firm up, you can do a buy and sell trade. Swing and slide, you can do a sell and buy trade. That way, you will be able to really take advantage of the market. If you've got any doubt regarding the forecast or regarding the market, you can ask me the questions in the question answer window here, FX Trade Forex Live video window. I'll be willing to answer those questions.